Sanibonani, my name is Sipiso Mthethwangana Mungela ku channel yami. If you're a regular T-Squad, thank you so much for coming back by. And if you're new in this channel, welcome. Please subscribe to become a T-Squad. Kana Mungela guys ku channel yami. Today I'm doing a face mask. I'll be using egg whites and lemon. I will mix the two together, make sure it's mixed together, and then after that I will apply it on my face. Please T-Squad, make sure you do apply it on your ears and neck, because asifun ukubane two color no. So yeah guys, the benefits of this mask will be displayed on the screen. And also T-Squad, please subscribe. Tell your family, your extended family, to please subscribe to the T-Squad. We are family in this channel. Guys, but as I was saying, we are family in this channel. Please subscribe to the T-Squad. So guys, please watch this video until the end, and I hope you are enjoying it. And this video has two types of mask, so please watch this video until the end, so you're gonna see the second DIY homemade mask. And yeah, and if you do watch this video until the end, you will see what moisturizer I use for my DIY skincare at home. Bye T-Squad, enjoy. This is the second one. As I told you guys, bye T-Squad, bye.
This one I got to be the jabata. I know get time, I did jabata. That cover my face, calling me jabata. Biggie man, we don't give it jabata. What's it go? Chihuahua, all the best. The cat, ride the foot. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? Chihuahua, all the best. Die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to take you on my way. Plenty survive with this, just to make your money. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want feel house, I still want the love. What's it go? All the Bentley, the cat, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing.
Get your life, little mama, won't you get your life on?